camera, so I'm just trying to think of an intro. And actually, this makes a good intro.
Yeah, just use that.
Rest assured, this week's video is going to be slightly different. I am joined by two skaters from London, Billy and Seja. Oh. Nice.
Accidental.
I haven't really recorded with people, so yeah, I'm a bit rusty. But so we've had 2 skate sessions already, and these guys have taught me a new trick. We don't know the name of the trick. It's like a
180 pivot.
Yeah.
Fakey 180 pivot. It's like a rock to fakey, but with a... No, it's like a fakey to rock to fakey.
Billy's going to demonstrate.
What are you doing?
Alright, that's take 3.
Too early.
Yeah.
Come on, back to back.
Back to back to back.
Back to back to back.
Can I help myself to some cashews?
Yeah, go.
Whoa! Hang on.
Yeah. Yeah. No.
That first one was so good, it was like perfectly in time. Oh, sorry, way too fancy.
Oh.
I'm the AV guy.
I'm the AV guy.
I'm the AFNY guy.
I'm the AFNY guy.
I'm the piano guy.
I'm the piano guy.
Let's go to sleep. I wrote a new song.
I wrote a new song.
It has a good beat.
It has a good beat.
Let's talk about movies.
Let's talk about movies. Let's get a bite to eat.
So the other new transition trick that we've been trying to learn is this tail stool slide kind of thing. I'll show you.
Yeah.
Oh no. I had an idea that this is a bad spot. Especially with me skating transition, not a good idea. The other thing me and Billy are trying to learn is the frontside 180. Frontside? No, backside. Is it frontside or backside?
The axle
We're just
stool.
terrible with trick names.
Yeah, the front side.
Axle stool, yeah.
Front side axle stool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You go first.
No, I land on top every time. Hey, that was in the right spot.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Smashed it.
Nice. Yeah, my first run. Ruined it by talking.
Yeah.
That was so sketchy.
Yeah, now the one. Oh, yeah, you held on. Oh my God.
You missed it again.
What?
I almost killed Billy. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I had to end with a pool.
Without 40 ounces of social skills, I'm just an ass in the crack of humanity.
Besides, you're probably holding hands with some skinny, pretty girl that likes to talk about bands.
That was my quick, well, I haven't landed it, but
Yeah,
it takes me at least 40 minutes to get to it. Oh, by the way, these guys are starting a YouTube channel. You don't have a name yet, right?
No, we don't have. It's in progress. To skate progress, we're kind of at a point in our lives where we want to change our environment, and a part of that is getting back into skateboarding. Like I did it for a couple of years as a kid. Yeah, and so did Seja. Sorry, we both did it as a kid. And it's kind of a learning to skate with others, having a good time, and sort of trying to skateboard every day, really.
Yeah, well, when the channel's ready, let me know and I'll pop in the description below.
Yeah.
That was alright. That was the first time I actually interviewed people. It was a bit awkward, sorry guys.
No. It's awkward for all of us.
I'm starting to get my kickflips back quicker. This guy called Class Act on YouTube, I'll provide a link to his channel, provided some useful tips for me, and it's working. It's basically to shift your weight a bit more back so you can flick.
G.I. Joe, Robotech, Ron Jerry, Shrew.
I wanna watch cartoons with you, Josie and the Pussycats and Scooby-Doo.
I don't count that.
I want you to watch cartoons with me.
I landed a better one on the weekend.
You got it. Give it another 2 tries.
Yeah.
Oh, Fooey. I tried to ask you to your face, but no words came out. Put on my hood and walked away. That doesn't mean I don't like you.
Yes.
Yes. I should have practiced it going up. Going down always gets me, but like when it's like upper bank, it's easier to land.
Well done. Done the kickflip.
Kickflip a day.
I like it when